Omelettes. They're super simple to make and they make a great meal. I use 3 eggs in mine. You can use anything for your fillings at all, leftovers, whatever. A little bit of salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of water. Not milk, not cream, it's not going to do you any favours, just water. In she goes. Bit of a whisk. You're not trying to get them frothy, you're just trying to break the eggs up here. That's it. Medium hot, butter goes in with our eggs. Just want to make sure that it starts to set around the edges, and then you just gradually pull your edges in like this. Tilt the pan if you need to. And once you can see that most of that is set there, it's time to add our fillings. I'm using a little bit of cheese, red pepper and spinach today. Super easy. Just squeak your spatula under there and fold it over. Once you can see that that cheese is melted, you're ready to serve it up. Just shake it off. Look at that. I'm going to go for a little bit of parsley on mine. So there you have it. Omelettes, they're really simple to make. And you know the saying, if you've got an egg in the house, you've got a meal. So good.